Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI 11T and I will show you how you can remove glass from the display in this phone. So that's very simple, you don't have to bring any additional tools, you can use your bare hands and you have to simply put your fingernail underneath glass. From example, we are going to start from right edge, so just put it like that and then lift that glass. You can also move your fingernail to left side, just like that, and then put another finger right here, and then just do it slowly. As you can see, we almost finish. Okay, and as you can see, that's all. So we can make it in a few steps, as you can see. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.